if you're tired of 9-to-5 jobs, if you're watching others get rich while you're still figuring out what to do, then this video is your roadmap to financial freedom. Because today, I'll show you 5 next-gen AI tools that are not just making people money. They're helping them build million-dollar digital businesses from home with no team, no experience, and almost no investment. But here's the catch. Don't skip a second of this video. Because the last AI tool I'll show you, that's the one people are secretly using to build $10,000 a month empires completely under the radar. So grab a notebook. This video might just change your financial life forever. Tool number 1, Luma AI, the 3D gold mine. Imagine recording a short video of your coffee mug and turning that into a 3D model that sells online for $50, $100, even $500. That's what Luma AI does. It's an AI tool that converts real-world video into 3D models. You don't need a scanner, software, or any design skills. You can scan shoes, toys, furniture, real estate interiors, and sell them as digital assets. How to monetize? Sell your 3D models on platforms like CG Trader, Sketchfab, or Gumroad. Offer product mock-up services to brands, creators, and e-commerce sellers. Start a 3D agency that helps real estate or game dev companies. Real-world case. One creator scanned a $10 toy car, turned it into a 3D file, and made over $500 by selling it 12 times. This is digital gold mining. And the best part? It only requires your phone. Tool number 2, HeyGen ElevenLabs, the AI video agency. Think you need actors, editors, and studios to make professional videos? Not anymore. With HeyGen, you can generate realistic AI humans that speak any script, in any language. Combine that with ElevenLabs, and you get AI voiceovers that sound exactly like real people. Together, they let you build explainer videos, product demos, testimonials, YouTube faceless content, even entire video courses. How you profit? Sell video packages to businesses, influencers, or creators. Start an AI-powered agency, 0 camera needed. Offer spokesperson ads on Fiverr for $100 to $500 per video. One agency in New York is making $10,000 per month using these tools, creating 20 to 30 videos per week with no human staff. This isn't the future. It's happening now. Tool number 3, AutoGPT plus Zapier, the self-running business. What if your business ran itself? No employees, no assistants, just AI. With AutoGPT, you give the AI a goal, like generate leads or run my email marketing. Then it plans, executes, and adjusts, all by itself. Connect it with Zapier, and now your AI assistant can respond to emails, manage your calendar, post on social media, even follow up with clients. Business idea: start an AI automation agency. Charge clients $500 to $1,500 to automate their marketing, sales, or admin, and let AutoGPT plus Zapier do all the work. A freelancer recently built an automation agency for lawyers and signed 7 clients in 30 days, making over $8,000 a month. This is how you scale, without stress. Tool number 4, Durable.co, instant website generator. Building a website used to take weeks and a developer. Now it takes 60 seconds. Durable.co is an AI website builder. Just enter your business type, like fitness coach in Texas, and boom, a full site with copywriting, SEO-ready content, images, contact forms, call-to-action buttons. Ways to make money: sell websites to local businesses for $300 to $700. Launch mini agencies offering landing pages. Build and flip niche sites on Flippa.com. One creator used Durable to make 12 websites in a weekend. flip them for $4,500 total, all using just this tool. Welcome to the new era of web design. Tool number 5, Synthesia, course empire without a camera. Ever dreamed of selling an online course, but hate being on camera? Synthesia lets you create presenter-led videos using AI avatars. Just type your script, and the avatar will talk, move, and explain it like a real human. Perfect for online courses, company training, educational YouTube channels, product walkthroughs, monetization. Sell your course on Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. Offer training videos to corporate clients. Launch faceless YouTube channels in education niches. One user created 5 AI courses in 2 months using Synthesia, and now makes $3,000 per month in passive income. No camera, no microphone, just smart work. And this is the tool that can make anyone a millionaire if used right. These aren't just tools, they're automated income machines. And in 2025, the people who master AI will lead. The rest will watch. So tell me in the comments, which tool blew your mind the most? And which one are you starting with today? And if you want the step-by-step roadmap to build your first $10,000 a month AI business, watch this next video. AI side hustles you can start today, from scratch. It's linked right here.